Witness the rabbit in its natural habitat, passively responding to every distraction. In contrast, the wolf is focused. It is only concerned with the rabbit. After all, the rabbit is dinner and the wolf doesn't like being hungry. Most of us live like rabbits. We have few clear objectives and passively react to every distraction and event. We start many projects and finish almost none. We keep putting off our life's goals and dreams because we can never focus long enough to accomplish anything. The wolf is different. Accomplishing great things requires radically excluding time-wasting distractions. Focus and persistence are the most important skills in a world of information overload. Solid, persistent effort on one focused goal accomplishes infinitely more than mediocre efforts on multiple projects. Real insights and creative breakthroughs often come by getting away from the computer altogether. In the end, the wolf eats the rabbits.